Hello everyone. In this video, I just show you how I can add the email validation in our form. So in previous video was just we add the form validation on a simple username and a contact, which was only text validation. I just let me show you in this video. I just show you how I can add one text field which was accept only email. So I duplicate here and add the email text field, email text field, and I just here email here label and enter your email. Okay, I just here one text field here for email and select the form and going to right side. We have already two validation we added in previous video. In just email text field, one component added here. I select here email text field, and when I select email text field, then it should be compulsory require the any value. And also we need to add the email validation and add here email custom message. Email is invalid. Now that is done. So here I just add the one text field and its validation into form. I just now application is running successfully. Now here I just add text username and here now email is required. First validation is email is required. So we not enter in value, then this message is shown here. Now just here ABC something. Then we can add the content, but the email is invalid. So here we can add here the custom message email is invalid. Now yahoo.com. Now we can add the proper and valid email. Then it should be gone. So we just add the text validator in a email text field and add the custom message for that. So this way we can also add the validation for email. So you can also add any regex and regex any website for website username. So this way you can add in a form validation.